episode number 3 of Silo season 3 is out now, and guys, I have seen it, and in this video I will be sharing whatever happened in this episode, and I will be sharing my thoughts on those events that happened in this episode. So there will be some spoilers, so if you don't want to miss any of that, watch the video till the end. So this episode starts with Camille finding out that Juliet is not taking her pills, the memory suppression pills, and she is saying to the nurse that whatever Juliet is doing, let her do that. And the AI whose Camille is working for, it says that if Juliet gets her memories back, they are going to wipe the memory of the whole silo. You remember the vitamin D supply in the water? It is for to wipe out the memory of the whole silo, and that's going to be huge. That is really huge. And if they doesn't do that, and if Juliet gets her memories back, they are going to impose the safeguard protocol, which is the protocol where they will kill the every single person in the silo. So that's going to be huge. And they gave an ultimatum to Camille to fix all the things at the end of this day, and they will impose the safeguard protocol, and that was really insane. On the other hand, Juliet went down, and she went to talk to the her friend. I don't remember her name. She was asking about Lucas Kyle. She is looking for him because she thinks that Lucas Kyle knows something, because he went to the mines, and then he got out, because nobody gets out from the mine. And he not just get out from the mines, he became the shadow of Bernard. So he must have found something really interesting in the mines, and that's why she is looking for him. And we found out that Lucas Kyle is in the tunnels, and he is digging a tunnel which can connect to the silo, the next door. And if he gets to that silo, they will again impose the safeguard protocol where every person in the silo will be dead. So Camille gets the initiative in her hand, and she poisoned the whole mine, and she tried to kill everyone whoever in the mine. And lots of people died, and Juliet went into the mine, and she almost died. And we saw Lucas Kyle, he saved Juliet, and then the guards came, and he has to run away. And then the people of Patrick Kennedy found him, and now I think he is safe, and he is going to tell Patrick Kennedy and his followers whatever he found out in the tunnels and whatever he did. And on the other hand, if we talk about the flashbacks are getting really serious, because in this episode we found out that there is a black box recording that someone got of that mission, that lady went. I don't remember her name, but there is a recording, and her brother and the reporter got their recording. They heard it, but we don't know what was in that recording, because we didn't heard it. They only those two person heard it. And after that, the person who got that recording from the internet, he was dead, and his whole house was upside down. So whoever is doing all this, they are trying to cover that track, and they are setting a parallel whatever is happening in the flashback before the world went down, and whatever is happening in the silo hundreds of years later. They are setting a really good parallel. The situation is similar, and the people who trying to cover up all the things, it's similar. So I'm really looking forward to watch all the episodes of this season, because this season is going really fast. It's revealing so many things, and it's asking so many questions. So I am so excited to watch the whole season. So what about you guys? Did you like this episode? What do you think about this episode? Or if you have some theories or something like that, let me know that also in the comment box below. Or even better, if you can, write a small review about it too in the comment box below. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.